Hello and welcome back to our channel, All Exam Tricks. Today we are going to review actually the recruitment of the ADU, and the final selection list has been out in every zone, and we are going to talk about the rest thing, that is the about the waiting list. So today we are going to talk about the waiting list. I have made a video in Hindi and I have got some comment that please make video in English, so the entire lecture will be in English today. And so this is the recruitment site of the LIC, and you can see the for every zone result has been published. And first of all, I would like to show you the result of some of the regions, and this is the seat available in every region. I will talk about my region, Hazaribagh. Here you can see that here you can see that the number of seats in general category, SC, STs, OBC as well as EWS. So the result has been published, but the number of seats what it has been given, such as 91, but you can see the exact result is very less than what it has been given. Why? Because there has been reserve seat for both employees category as well as agent category. There has been an fixed seat for this. So suppose for SC there is a current 2 seats and 3 backlog, so total 5 seats should be, but in the result of Hazaribagh division you can see only 3 candidates have been selected. Only 3 candidates. Why? Because 2 candidates were for has to be selected from, one for employee category and one for agent category. So that's why 2 seats has been vacant. You can see the result of every zone that there is an category of special category for the employee and agent. So if there was a candidate, it has been filled, but if in Hazaribagh region there was no candidate, so nil has been provided. No candidate was present for this seats, so only 3 candidates is selected in the SC category. Same is applicable for the OBC. Only 3 candidates has been selected, but the number of seats were 5. Same for OBC, only 3 candidates were selected in Hazaribagh division. You can check the rest of the divisions, same thing was happened, and so people are wondering why this has happened, what is the reason behind this. And so this is the exact reason that employee and agent categories are also included in this, and there is separate reservation for them. So in the general category also there was an reservation for the employee and agent, so less candidates has been selected, around 17, 8, 19 only general candidates were selected in Hazaribagh. So this is the reason why. And I will talk about the waiting list. Yes, definitely waiting list will come. Why? There is a two, I will tell you, there is a 2 major reason for that. Number one is bond, very heavy amount of bond, that is 3 lakh of bond, which is very big amount, and this is for 4 to 5 years. Why? 1 year for not included in training periods, and 4 year for the rest. So if you leave this job, then you'll have to pay 3 lakhs to the company. And the second reason to not join the LIC ADO, why? The second reason that some of the candidates will not join. I'm not saying that they will definitely not join. Some of the reason that is a target based job. There is a target based job. This is a full marketing job. It is full marketing job. So anyone who's not familiar to the marketing job, they will not join this. Why? Because this is not fixed job. There is no timing for this. You will not be getting any desk chair to hold your office. There will be a different task. You will have to go in field work. There is a field work in this job. There is field work. So this is the most famous reason to some of the candidates leave this job. And one more reason, there is target, but this is not a permanent job also. If the target is not completed, you may be terminated from the job. This is the main reason. This is not a fixed job. I will say this is not a permanent job as compared to the bank PO. As compared to the bank PO, this is something else. This is not a permanent. This is a field and marketing job. And second one, third one is, you can see the bond. So earlier at the bond price was, money was only 25,000, but it is very less. So many of the student candidates leave this job. Why? Because bond was 25,000 only. So they get, even they get selected in clerk also, they leave this officer class job. Why? Because there is these three conditions are applicable here: bond, target based, and this is not fixed job. You may be terminated also. So this is the main reason why people's actually the candidates who are selected for the interviews and got selected, they have some capabilities. They may appear for the RRB POs, SBI PO, IBPS PO, and they can clear. So they will think that why I will be joining this type of hectic job. There is no fixed job. There is a field work. There's no, you will not be getting any chair table office for your work and the bond amount. So this is the reason 100% every year LIC ADO uh, brings out waiting list. So there is 100% chance if you want to join and you are not selected, if you are in the waiting list, then you may, there is a chance that you may get in the next 6 months the waiting list. So there is a chance also. So hope this video is good for you and it is knowledgeable for you. So if you like the video, please like, and you want to comment anything, then you can comment in our comment box. I will help you regarding this, what is waiting list and how you will get it. And please do subscribe for the most recent updates. Thank you.